In celebration of this milestone and new opportunity, a toast to the bright future that lies ahead. May this day fuel our passion, inspire our creativity, and strengthen our partnership. Thank you for joining and attending this event. Cheers and enjoy the day.
Johnny. Nice, thank you.
More
blessings, Biblia Amanda.